Welcome to Scholars Academy Presents, where we highlight the special people, projects, and events at Scholars Academy right here in Rockaway Park, Queens. My name is Elijah, and today our special guest is Akriti, who's going to be talking about her experience in the citywide spelling bee. How were you chosen to participate in the spelling bee?
Well, Ms. Schwalk had us all line up for the class spelling bee, and she gave each person one word, and if they spelled it correctly, you are still in the challenge, and if you spelled it incorrectly, you sit down. And then in the end, it was between me and Troy, and then Troy spelled a word incorrectly, and I spelled it correctly, so I found out I was going.
Were you nervous when you found out?
No, but when I got to the spelling bee, I saw the auditorium, and it was like really big, so I got really nervous, and all the people would be watching me.
How did you prepare yourself for the spelling bee?
Well, after I got home, my mom made me go on the computer and practice words for the spelling bee, and she made me look at the definition and yeah.
Where did it take place?
It took place in Manhattan in a high school, and the auditorium was really huge, so I got really nervous, and the parents were all watching me, and it was more than 150 people there.
Do you think you've always been a good speller?
Well, I didn't find out until I was in 3rd grade because my teacher told me that I was really good at spelling, and she made me her dictionary. So whenever she did know how to spell a word, she would ask me to spell the word.
Do you have any advice for future spelling bee champions?
Well, the advice I would give is to practice spelling bee words each day, every night, so they could be confident and don't lose hope.
That's all for today. Please join us next time when Scholars Academy presents. Goodbye for now.